Hello everyone, I am Paulo Sarimbur, YouTuber, motivation speaker and TA trainer. Today I have come with a very interesting video. So please spare few minutes and watch this video fully. Today's video is career selection for psychological developments are very important. Before I go to video, I want to thank my supporters. I thank my family who have been supporting me from beginning. I thank 479 subscribers. Please support my YouTube channel and subscribe. I thank 5,136 views, more than 80% from outside India. So thank you very much for all these people. Now let's go to the video. Are you ready? Few years back, I brought a laptop and found that it had no operating system. A new baby born is like that. We need to develop in stages. Parents want their children to be successful in their life, but they don't know how to guide their children. Now, Dr. Erik Erikson, who lived during 1902 to 1994, contributed theory of psychological development in 8 stages. We need to make these stages of development in stages. Only then we can be socially functional, successful in life. Erik Erikson adapted belief from Sigmund Freud that these developments are to be done in series of developments. Now, you might be curious to know what are these stages of development. Are you curious to know? Let's see. Let's look at them initially. Now there are 8 stages. The first stage is the trust, which is the most essential. Second is autonomy, free from control. Third is initiative. Successful people always take initiative in their life. Next is industry. Then identity, for maintaining relationship. Intimacy. Generativity. And the last one is ego integrity. So these are 8 stages. Now you all must be wondering that many of the people are grown without these qualities. What do we do now to be successful in life? Don't worry. If you do not have these qualities, develop them right from today. Write it down and try to practice these qualities. We are never late for learning and practicing all good qualities. Now let's begin the development stages. I am not covering all the 8 stages here because our topic is career selection. For career selection, the first 5 stages are sufficient. So we cover 5 stages. Those who like to have more details of all these 8 stages, please subscribe my channel, go to playlist and watch 8 videos on psychological development. That videos are explaining more than what I am explaining in this video. So therefore, please subscribe and go to playlist and see those 8 videos. Now, what is the first development? First development is trust and faith. When it happens? During 0 to 18 months, that is the breastfeeding stage, the bonding between mother and child. So we build trust and faith ourselves with parents, gods and all people around us. This builds our self-esteem, confidence, and this is the foundation of personality. Now you know what happens if it fails? If it fails, we mistrust ourselves and people around us. You know, there is one important thing that you have to keep in mind. Failure of this first stage, that is trust and faith, personality disorders begin to build in our personality. So therefore, please trust yourself and people. This is one of the most quality that is required in our life. What is the second quality, second stage? Second stage is autonomy. Free from control of others. If others control you, can you be successful? Not at all. When this is built during 19 to 36 months. That is called toilet training period. Children learn control intestine and control their own body. That is how they develop personality with autonomy. What happens if it fails? If it fails, there will be behavior problem in adults. So those who have got small children, allow them autonomy, give them the choice, and those who are grown up, practice autonomy. When I say this autonomy, don't allow others to control you. Exercise assertiveness. What is the third stage of development? Third stage of development is initiative. We all need to take initiative in each and everything, at home, at organization. When this is built during 3 to 5 years, preschool stage. They have got curiosity and ask questions to the people. Some parents and some people in the organization get irritated. They ridicule them, accuse them, punish them. Don't do that. They are growing. Or even grown-up people also have this quality. They ask questions, they have got curiosity. What will happen if the children are encouraged? They develop guilty feeling. You have seen many people around you having guilty feeling. That is the source of back pain. Now we go to the fourth stage. What is the fourth stage? Industry. When this is built? During 5 to 12 years. Children develop confidence and try to master new skills, making choice about the career. They keep on asking, I want to become that, I want to become this, I want to become this. So please encourage your children so that they master some skills which later they decide to have that as a career. You have seen, during this time they decide, yes, I want to become such and such, I want to become a pilot, I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer. Please see my first video of career selection 1, how parents influence children for career. Now, if this stage fail, they will have inferiority complex. I am not able to do anything. I don't have a competence to do that. I am inadequate. Why do you want children to have inferiority complex? Now I will go to the fifth topic. I will cover only 5 topics here because by age of 22 to 25 you get into a job. Our topic in these 2 videos are career selection. So these 5 stages are sufficient. The 5th stage is in identity. This is developed during age 13 to 18. They know who they are, what is the identity and relationship with the people. So they feel proud of being identity. I am son of so-and-so. I am grandson of so-and-so. I am brother of so-and-so. I am sister of so-and-so. They have identity and established relationship. What happens if this stage of development fails? They do not establish relationship with people. They separate from family, separate from peer group, and have role confusion. Together we succeed. As a family we succeed. So therefore this is a very important stage of development. Well friends, maybe you might be wanting to know the remaining 3 stages of development. As I mentioned, please subscribe, please go to playlist, watch 8 videos of psychological development. Well friends, thank you for watching my video. I hope you have liked it. Please give like, comment. If not subscribe, please subscribe and share with your friends who have children or who want to make personal development. Thank you. Thank you very much.